Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will look at the best car brands in the world and their closing revenue. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe and like this video. Thank you. In this video, we have compiled a list of top car brands in the world based on business parameter of revenue. These car brands not only focus on the selling cars, but also focus on the end-to-end customer experience. Up on our list is Nissan Motor Corporation. It is a Japanese automaker, having been established in the year 1933. Its headquarters is in Yokohama City, Japan. The company also gives special focus on producing zero-emission vehicles, such as electric cars and fuel cell vehicles. Nissan is very much known for its operations, such as forming strategic alliances. Nissan Motors is also involved in the sale and manufacturing of automotive products, such as automobiles, trucks, and buses, as well as other related auto products. The company is also investing heavily in a portfolio of green technologies, which includes clean diesels, efficient internal combustion engines, and hybrids. Nissan Motors also has its manufacturing facilities in as many as 20 countries worldwide and customers in more than 160 different nations. The company owns a diverse range of world-renowned brands, which operates to produce a wide variety of products. Next up on our list is Hyundai Motors. The South Korean automaker employs around 60,000 people globally. Hyundai was established in the year 1967. It has its headquarters located at Seoul, South Korea. Hyundai has popular cars in every segment, from hatchbacks to sedans to SUVs, which include the Elantra, Accent, Civic, and several others. They are also into manufacturing and distribution segment of automobiles, providing financial services in the form of credit and insurance to customers. Pony became one of the best-selling Hyundai car because of its size and price. Later, it entered U.S. market in 1985 by exporting Hyundai Excel. Then in the year 1998, Hyundai also acquired Kia Motors. Hyundai's goal is to provide new values and experiences as desired by its customers. Next up on our list is Honda Motors. This is a Japanese automobile company with its presence all around the globe. They are into manufacturing and sales of automobiles, aircraft, and motorcycles. They also provide financial services, which include credit and insurance to their customers. Honda's most popular brands are the Honda Accord and Honda Civic, which are still continuing to grab the market with huge sales in North America. This company also has about 89 plants in 33 countries and sells for around 140 different countries, employing a total of 30,000 people across the world. Honda hopes to employ cruise control in their cars to make road collisions a thing of the past by 2040. I think we all would love to see that. Next up on our list is BMW, abbreviated as Bayerischen Motor and Work Group, is one of the leading manufacturers of premium automobiles and motorcycles and one of the top car brands in the world. BMW has proven itself to be a global company with as many as 30+ productions. They also have assembly facilities in so many countries. BMW was established in the year 1916 with its current headquarters in Munich, Germany. The company's total employee strength is 120,000 plus, out of which around 90% of the employees are in automobile segment. They also specialize in producing authentic racing motors that has exclusive functionality, like the I-Series, Mini JCDO, and Rolls-Royce motor cars. BMW also focus on sustainability, satisfying their customers, and business independence. General Motors is a global automotive company established in the year 1908. It is also the first North American auto manufacturer with its global headquarters at Detroit, USA. The company operates in 5 continents with an employee strength of about 180,000 people from different nationalities. The company has a very diverse and dedicated team. This brand also functions with 8 renowned distinctive brands across the globe, which includes Buick, GMC, Cadillac, and Holden. They also created the very first affordable all-electric Chevrolet EV, which speeds up to an estimated EPA of about 230 miles of pure electric range. General Motors have been appreciated multiple times for their quality and performance. They are also known as the first company to launch the auto crash test. which is now a global way of testing cars for top brands. Next up on our list is Daimler AG, also known as Mercedes-Benz, which is one of the biggest producers and suppliers of premium cars and commercial vehicles around the world. Mercedes-Benz is also a specialist in all-terrain four-wheel drive, with an undisputed touch of balance in all their product. They also perform exceedingly well in electric car segmentation, as 130,000 electric smart models are being sold yearly. Mercedes-Benz cars are also known to have set an unprecedented series of record sales, increasing its unit sales every month for more than 4 years. Before the next slide, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Next up on our list is Toyota Motor Corporation. This is the largest automaker in the world, with its headquarters in Aichi, Japan. The company has grown to become one of the largest firms in terms of revenue. Toyota operates through more than 50 car assemblies and manufacturing plants across the globe. The company has rendered a total of 75 years of service and has grown to attain greater height towards commitment and innovations, which help their brands gain high performance in motorsports. Toyota Motors also focus on mutual trust and teamwork to fulfill their commitment towards quality, innovation, and sustainability. Currently, they have a working force of more than 350,000 people across the globe who strive to provide the ultimate driving experience through performance and comfort. Last on our list is Volkswagen Motors. This brand focuses on moving people and driving them forward. Volkswagen Motors is one of the largest manufacturers in the world, with its headquarters located in Wolfsburg, Germany. Volkswagen Motors consist of two divisions, the automotive divisions and the financial service divisions. The automotive divisions further consist of passenger cars and commercial vehicles. They mainly have a reputation of owning big cars, like Volkswagen passenger cars, Audi, Seat, and Skoda, thus making them the world's leading automaker in terms of innovation and intelligence. That's the video, guys. Ensure you like and subscribe to this channel, as in our next video, we'll be revealing some tips on the best country you can study for free. Thank you.